Before I came to tech, I was an audio engineer and producer. I worked at a recording studio in the Atlanta area, a very large recording studio with lots of very large names in music. That was my life. Long days, long nights. I was super interested in the technology that I was using. I had learned how to use it. I'd learned how to use it well, but it really became like an epiphany. Somebody made this. Somebody went in and coded this and thought about the math and the acoustics and made this happen for us. And I want to be on that side of the road. So I went on Google and I looked up music technology. I already had a bachelor's in music technology, but it was more recording focused. So I looked up master in music technology and came across Georgia Tech, and I saw the robot and it was history. One of the, I think, most amazing projects that came out of the music tech department is a robotic drumming arm to help an amputee drummer, regain his talent and then go further than he was before. I think that aspect of music technology is super cool. I also took, the quantitative aspect and applied it to hip hop music, which is something that isn't really done often. With Atlanta being the trap capital of the world, literally, I felt almost a responsibility to take this awesome music technology knowledge and apply it to literally Atlanta history. My undertaking was to see if I could train a machine learning algorithm to be able to differentiate rap songs from different parts of the country. It was pretty sweet. I would love to see Georgia Tech kind of extend those arms a little bit into like the hip hop community and inject that technology into where the industry is going in Atlanta. There's a space for your talent and a space for your experience. There's a space for your unique perspective. And that's what it is. That thing that makes you stand out is that thing that makes you stand out, and that's not a bad thing. Mold the technology to your perspective. Like there's a strength there that I'm here for it, regardless of, some of the privileges that I didn't have in my early education, some of the opportunities that missed me because of my background, regardless of all of those things, to still show up and figuratively show out in great fashion was kind of a testament to the strength of like really wanting it.